Marketing tents for jewelry business. With your gold shop name, phone number, everything will print on this. Just put this tent in front of your gold shop and you can create more sales and more publicity. We do the printing and designing as per our choice. It's waterproof and all weather condition tent. You can use up to 4-5 years. Any size tent we supply. Our phone number 9246372692. Get more sales, more publicity and more business with marketing tents. It's very useful for jewelry business. Jewelry shops, silver shops, everything. They can get more sales. We do the printing and designing any language and fast delivery all over India. Our phone number 9246372692. Waterproof and all weather condition tents for jewelry business. Our phone number 9246372692.